to my channel. So I am excited for today's video because I am going to be showing you a haul of things that I got for Easter for my kids and a few decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. Most of it is from the Dollar Tree, Michael's, and a few things from the Target Dollar Spot. And it is in collaboration with my friends. I will link their channels below. So please, after you're finished watching my video, be sure to go check out their videos. So I was able to get a lot of this stuff from the Dollar Tree, which I was super happy. They have really cute stuff this year. So I'm gonna just show you everything that I got. So now I'm getting for my 3 kids. So I have an 8-year-old, 17-year-old, and a 24-year-old. Yes, I do still get my big kids Easter baskets. I don't care how old they are, I'm always gonna get them like my mother did for me, and the tradition is going to continue. I was excited to see all the new stuff they had this year. I don't know about you, but I am always at the last minute trying to find these Easter gift basket bags that you can wrap the basket in. Got 3 of these to wrap the baskets up in. So this sign says hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way, and I thought it was super cute. We believe in the Easter Bunny. And then I got this one, it's so cute. It says, all bunnies welcome. I got this, it's like a felt material, and it just says Happy Easter. And I thought that was super cute. I also found these bunny picks. So I think these are really cute if you want to just stick them inside your child's basket, or if you're making some type of wreath, these would be super cute to put in as well, and they're only $1. Okay, so that's it for the decor stuff, but now let me show you what I got for their baskets and then the stuff to go inside. So my both boys love playing basketball, so I was surprised when I found these super cute basketball hoop baskets, so I had to get them. And then I'll just show you what I'm going to put inside. Okay, so this is for the little guy. So to go with his basketball basket, I found this little bouncy basketball. And then what kid doesn't love Sour Patch Kids? So I got him a box of these, and they're bunnies. Then I got him this heart, comes with the candy inside, so they're airheads. And then I also found this cup, it says Happy Easter. I thought that was super cute with the straw. They had them in pink, blue, and I think green. So that'll be for him. And he loves cotton candy, so they had these. Cottontails, and then all pink Starburst. So that'll be for his basket. This cute little egg, it opens up and you can put stuff in there. You can hide it when you're doing an Easter hunt. So I thought that was cute. And then this bunny, I was thinking if you don't get like a basket or you can't find at the last minute, this is super cute because you can stuff it and then you just close it together. So I thought that was adorable. My daughter's basket. So she's gonna get pink, and it just says Happy Easter. And I got her these LED flower lights. So I'm guessing when you turn the switch, the flower like illuminates, and I thought that was super cute for her. Brussels sprouts mint patties. And then I got her 2 of these Vaseline lip balms. One is the cocoa butter, and this is rosy lips, so I guess it's like tinted. Okay, and I got this cute little egg crate with the 6 eggs, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably just put it out for decor, or you can take the eggs out to hide them. And then this cute little plant. I love this color green basket, and I'm going to see what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably gonna do something for my son's girlfriend and put some stuff in here because she loves like gardening and planting. So that'll be for her. Let me just move this stuff out of the way. And my older son, I got him, let me take everything out. So he got a basketball hoop basket as well. And because he likes to paint, I got him some paint brushes. I got him these fudge mint cookies. If you like Girl Scout cookie Thin Mints, these are so good and they taste almost identical and they're only $1. So definitely, Easter or not, if you're in Dollar Tree and you like Thin Mint cookies, pick these up. I got him the pink Starburst. This was cute. It's Spa Life for him and her. It's like face masks. So yeah, antioxidant blueberry and nourishing strawberry. And then I guess it just cuts down the middle and one is for him and one is for her. So I'm gonna give this to either Mark or his girlfriend. That's for them. To show you, oh, I also got these cute little carrot decor. You can put them in like a vase or like use them as filler. Up here, and I made, this is from last year from Target, but these I did pick up, I think from the dollar spot last year, and I just kind of put them in the back of the truck and it's super cute. So if you find these from the Dollar Tree, pick them up. There's so many different things that you can decorate with and using these. This is just some stuff that I picked up for my son's girlfriend. So for her basket, I was just thinking because she loves to garden, I found this little basket for her. They had these in pink, I think blue, and these gardening gloves. They had these in all colors, so I thought these were super cute. This trowel for planting, and I got her purple, but again, they come in all colors. And believe it or not, it's pretty sturdy, so for $1. I got her, because she loves sloths, I got her these cute little socks, and it comes with 2 pairs in the Dollar Tree. Again, because she loves to plant, this cute little, it's like a galvanized vase with a rope around it. I thought it was super cute. Even if you have like farmhouse decor, this would be perfect and you can't go wrong for the price. So that's that. Show you, oh, I also got this. It's just to go over any like planter, I guess, well, this is too thick, but if you have like a thinner one, you can just put it right over. And I thought that was super cute. That's a little turtle. They had a gnome and they had a ladybug. So these are super cute. And then these clay planters, so she can plant something in here. And this I got for my daughter because she loves sunflowers, so I'm gonna put this in her basket. Yeah, I think this is super cute. It's a grow kit. They had all different kinds. They had impatiens, they had daisies, and they had the sunflower and a few other ones, but she really likes sunflowers, so I thought she would like that. Guys, all this stuff from the Dollar Tree, I'm super happy with everything I found. I'm gonna show you a few pieces from Michael's and Target Dollar Spot, and then I will show you at the end of the video how I put everything together for the kids and wrapped it up, and they're all ready and set to go for Easter. This is some stuff that I picked up from Michael's and Target Dollar Spot. This is for my daughter. It's reusable cup set and it comes with 3 cups and they're really pretty, like pink, purple, and I think that's gray with the straws. So for $3, yeah, $3, I think this is super cute. So that'll be for her. For my little guy from the Target Dollar Spot, this is just an extra thing to put in his basket. I got him this silly sand in the blue egg. I got this for my daughter from Target. So this is cool because she could take it to work. I just love the flowers on it. It's so pretty and like spring-like. So that's for her. This is for my son's girlfriend, just tulips. This is from Michael's. And I thought this was really cute. I'm gonna incorporate it into her basket as well. For my son, because I was thinking the big guy, what I can put in his baskets besides candy. So this I got from Target. He just got his car. So I got some Armor All leather wipes so he could like do the interior of his car. I got him from the Target Dollar Spot the Little Tree air fresheners in watermelon. Smells really good. This I found from Target. It's just another cute little happy Easter sign. This candle is from Target. It's not the Dollar Spot. It is the, what collection is this? The Opal House. But I just wanted you guys to see because the yellow is so pretty for spring. And then the smell is just so delicious. I already burnt it, but it just smells so good. So if you guys are in Target, check this out. It's the pineapple and bamboo leaf. And the color is just so pretty. This little tray I got from Michael's. It was really cheap. It was like $5.99. And then of course you can use the 20% off coupons. So I figured, I don't know what, I'm gonna put something on this. Maybe a candle. You could put this next to your sink to put your soaps on. I thought this was super cute and I love the color. It's so spring. So I think I did pretty good. I got all the kids covered. I'm gonna wrap up their baskets and I will come back and show you guys how everything turned out. Let me show you the finished baskets. Okay guys, so here's the finished baskets. I think they turned out super cute. There's all 4. These basket covers actually came with 2 in the pack, so I have 1 pack left over, and they even give you little ties to tie them as well. And I went ahead and put the bunny picks in just 2 because I only had 2 of them. I think I'm gonna grab some more of those because they are cute, and I may even make a wreath for Easter, so those will come in handy. I think they look really nice. I just wanted to show you and give you guys some inspiration, some ideas. If you are on a budget, you definitely can find some cute items. Not everything is from the Dollar Tree. As I said, some stuff is from the Target Dollar Spot, but either way, you're definitely saving some money, and they're really cute items as well. This is how they came out. I hope that you guys liked today's video and you were able to get some ideas and inspiration to find some stuff for your own kids' Easter baskets. Everything pretty much was from the Dollar Tree with the exception of a few items from Target Dollar Spot. So I think it all came together really nicely and it looks super cute. And I definitely was on a budget, being that I had to buy stuff for 4 baskets. So please don't forget to go check out my friends' videos. I will link them below in the description box. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you have not done so already. And I will see you again real soon in my next video. Bye.